Hello, my name is Laura Devia, third semester radiology student. I am going to talk about the biosecurity protocol for neonates in ICU second. I am going to start talking about hand washing. 1. The biosecurity protocol for neonates in ICU second. I am going to start talking about hand washing. 1. Wash your hands with water. 2. Put a sufficient quantity of soap in the palm of the hand to cover all surface of the hand. 3. Rub your palms together. 4. Rub the palm of the right hand against the back of the left hand, interlocking the fingers and vice versa. 5. Rub your palms together, fingers intertwined. 6. Rub the backs of the fingers of one hand with the palm of the opposite hand, grasping the fingers. 7. Rub the left thumb in a rotational motion, catching it with the right palm and vice versa. 8. Rub the fingertips of the right hand against the palm of the left hand, making a rotational motion and vice versa. 9. Rinse hands with water, dry with a sterling towel. Please keep hair completely inside it. 3. Perform dry hands hygiene. Perform all technical step room. 5. Nail want the top and bottom straps correctly. 5. Put on the tristram the boards should be fastened down on the outer side drop straps about the heart and might hit bottom. Strap backing the neck secure metal clip to the braid of the nose tree. Should be no gaps between the face and the chistram. 6. Put on head protection over the cap. 7. Put on gloves, extend or commission cups. El personal protection elements removal sequence. Do not touch the face of Hatsun and personal protection attain with contaminate gloves too. First, stay with the parent environment. 1. Remove gloves with the correct technique. Take the first glove from the outside in an envelopment. White. Think with your free hand. Remove the second glove from the inside. Discard pathologic what's in a bag. 2. Carry out the hands hygiene correctly, being very similar to hand washing, except than washing hands with water and drink with a sterile towel are omitted. 3. Remove commissioning on the upper and lower strip, stir from the upper internal part in an embolizing manner. Form a bound discord in a back of the pathologic wash. And B. Second, start outset the patterns environment. 1. Remove the glass and place and sweeter container for cleaning and disinfection. 2. Remove the chin strap on the lower strip without releasing them completely on the upper strips and move in away from the face to be discarded in a bag of pathology. Watch 3. Perform dry hands 4. Remove the cap, tag it in the front incident. Side away from the head and discard in a red bag. Thanks you very much. This brief summary of what to properly carry out the Biosecure protocol for neonates in ICU.